Dr. Benji Resma, thank you very much for protecting the province when it comes to African swine fever. And when you mentioned that you want to send sentinels already to those who were affected by ASF, make it as soon as possible before election comes. Because however pure my intentions will be that I will be telling you, but people will interpret it as something political. We should start already repopulating the hog industry in the province. We should be aggressive enough to disperse swine with feeds to the farmers. Itik and the eggs help them a lot.
Hello.
Pero sa akong tamang yun, nakita mga unang ang uban sa itong baboy. And as you said, nagmahal na ang presyo sa baboy. And we have to repopulate our hog industry. So let us be aggressive. We start already purchasing. Ayaw na itong baktin. Kung pwede ka ng 3-4 months, 4 months old, 6 months, na ready to breed ba? Atag na itong baboy. Ang babae atong ihatag, ang lalaki dahil isa lang, kada community ba? Isa ka lalaki, dua ka lalaki na depende sa number. 1:12 ba, baboy? 1:12? 1:10? O, isa, kada napulo ka babae, hatag nato sa mga tao, sa silingan na usa ka lalaki. Mukita mong yapon na ang lalaki. Di ba? So, let's start. Sige lang, sugal ka. You have to repopulate already. No? We have to repopulate. Aggressively. Attorney Joy will find funds for you. Attorney Joy, aggressive na.